Rio de Janeiro, a city that instantly evokes images of golden beaches, samba rhythms, and breathtaking landscapes. Known worldwide simply as Rio, this Brazilian metropolis is more than just a postcard cliché. It's a vibrant mix of nature, culture, and human energy framed between towering mountains and the endless blue of the Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to the marvelous city.
Located on Brazil's southeastern coast, Rio de Janeiro is not the nation's capital today, but it once held that role until 1960. Nestled between the Atlantic shoreline and dramatic granite peaks, the city is a gateway to both cultural history and natural wonders. Its unique geography makes Rio one of the most visually stunning urban environments in the world.
The first stop for many visitors is Copacabana Beach, stretching for 4 kilometers of soft sand along the Atlantic. It is not just a place to sunbathe, but a living stage where locals play football, vendors sell refreshing coconuts, and music fills the air. Copacabana embodies the social spirit of Rio, blending leisure with community.
Before we continue exploring Rio de Janeiro, make sure to subscribe to DSV Travel Trip. On this channel, you'll discover not only Rio, but also hidden gems, famous destinations, and surprising corners of the world. Join the journey, and let's travel together beyond the obvious, starting right here in Brazil's most iconic city.
Just a short walk from Copacabana lies Ipanema, another legendary beach. Immortalized in music, Ipanema offers a slightly different vibe: chic cafes, stylish boutiques, and a lively boardwalk where art and fashion meet the ocean. Here, the sunset is a daily ritual, with crowds gathering to applaud the sun disappearing behind the Dois Irmãos peaks.
High above the city stands one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Christ the Redeemer statue. Perched atop Mount Corcovado, this 30-meter-tall monument welcomes visitors with open arms. Beyond its religious meaning, the statue symbolizes Rio's spirit of hospitality and resilience. The panoramic views from this point are nothing short of breathtaking.
Equally iconic is Sugarloaf Mountain, or Pau da Cucar. Rising nearly 400 meters above the harbor, it offers a cable car journey like no other. As you ascend, Rio unfolds beneath you, the beaches, the cityscape, and the endless ocean. From the summit, the sight of Guanabara Bay is unforgettable, a blend of nature and civilization in perfect balance.
Beyond the urban landmarks, Rio hides a treasure of biodiversity, the Tijuca National Park. Known as the world's largest urban forest, Tijuca is home to lush greenery, waterfalls, and exotic wildlife. Hiking here offers a different perspective of Rio, where toucans, monkeys, and tropical flora thrive just minutes away from the bustling city streets.
Another natural gem is Rio's Botanical Garden, founded more than 2 centuries ago. With towering palm avenues, rare orchids, and serene walking trails, it is an oasis of tranquility in the middle of the metropolis. This space combines science, conservation, and beauty, giving visitors the chance to admire Brazil's incredible biodiversity without leaving the city.
No journey through Rio is complete without walking the colorful steps of Escadaria Celerin. Created by Chilean artist Jorge Celerin, this mosaic staircase features tiles from all over the world. Each step is a piece of global culture, transforming a simple staircase into a vibrant work of art and a symbol of Rio's diversity and creativity.
The Lapa district adds another layer to Rio's personality. Famous for its historic aqueduct and lively nightlife, Lapa pulses with samba rhythms after dark. Bars and dance halls invite both locals and tourists to experience authentic Brazilian music and joy. It's in places like Lapa where Rio's heart beats the loudest, filled with passion and rhythm.
Not far from Lapa, the neighborhood of Santa Teresa offers a completely different atmosphere. Narrow, winding streets lead to colonial mansions, artisan studios, and bohemian cafes. Streetcars still climb the hills, carrying visitors through a district where art and tradition merge. Santa Teresa is Rio's soul expressed in color, creativity, and history.
When it comes to celebrations, no city on earth compares to Rio's Carnival. This massive festival transforms the city into a stage of music, costumes, and parades. The Sambadrome becomes a river of color, where samba schools compete with dazzling performances. Beyond the spectacle, Carnival reflects Brazil's cultural roots and the joy of its people.
Football, or soccer, is another passion deeply embedded in Rio's culture. The Maracana Stadium is a temple for fans, hosting legendary matches that shaped world history. Visiting this arena, even when empty, allows you to feel the energy of countless victories, defeats, and unforgettable moments that define Brazil as the land of football.
The city's bay, Guanabara, is a natural wonder framed by dramatic mountains and islands. Once the entry point for explorers and traders, today it offers sailing, kayaking, and breathtaking viewpoints. The contrast between calm waters and the urban skyline reminds visitors why Rio has always been a bridge between nature and modern life.
For a more local perspective, visit Rio's open-air markets and street fairs. From fresh tropical fruits to handmade crafts, these markets reflect the city's daily rhythm. The aroma of grilled street food mixes with the sound of live music, offering a sensory experience where the essence of Brazilian culture comes alive.
Rio's cuisine is itself a journey. From the hearty feijoada, a black bean stew rich with flavor, to the beloved pão de queijo cheese breads and skewers sizzling on street grills, every meal tells a story of Brazil's heritage. African, Portuguese, and indigenous influences merge on the plate, creating flavors that are as diverse and vibrant as the city itself.
Rio is also home to remarkable museums and cultural spaces. The Museum of Tomorrow, with its futuristic architecture, explores humanity's role in shaping the planet's future. Meanwhile, the Museum of Modern Art showcases Brazilian creativity through painting, sculpture, and design. Together, they highlight Rio's balance between tradition and innovation.
For those who love adventure, Rio delivers. From surfing in Barra de Tijuca to hang gliding over the city, adrenaline seekers will find endless opportunities. One of the most thrilling experiences is flying off Pedra Bonita, where you soar above forests and beaches before landing softly on golden sands.
Even in a city so famous, there are quieter corners. Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas, a lagoon surrounded by mountains and neighborhoods, offers cycling paths, paddle boats, and relaxing views. It's a place where locals jog, families gather, and the chaos of the city seems to pause for a moment of calm reflection.
As day turns into night, Rio transforms once again. The city lights sparkle across the hillsides, favelas glow with life, and music fills the streets. From upscale rooftop bars to humble neighborhood gatherings, Rio's nightlife shows its true spirit, inclusive, energetic, and filled with joy.
A key part of Rio's identity lies in its favelas, hillside communities often known for their struggles, but equally for their resilience and creativity. Many are home to community projects, striking murals, and samba schools that keep tradition alive. Visiting with local guides reveals another side of Rio, a place of innovation, culture, and people who find joy and strength in the face of challenges.
Rio de Janeiro is more than beaches and postcards. It is a city of contrasts, where beauty and challenges coexist, and where every corner tells a story. From the embrace of Christ the Redeemer to the energy of Carnival, Rio invites travelers to look beyond the surface. This is not just Brazil's most famous city, it is a place that leaves its mark forever.
Rio is not only a destination, it's an experience. Whether it's a sunset at Ipanema, a spontaneous samba in the street, or a friendly chat with a coconut vendor, every moment becomes a memory that stays long after you've left.